How to list products on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can list your products on the Facebook Marketplace. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Facebook account like so. You're going to log in, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto the left hand side where you're going to see all of your options. You're going to go ahead and click on the marketplace. It's going to open up right here in another tab with all of the products, as you can see right here. Next, it's very simple. You just simply come over here onto the left hand side and you will see you have create a new listing option. Then you just simply click on create new listing, and over here you just choose the listing type. So there's item for sale, vehicle for sale, and property for rent or sale. So it depends on the type of item you're selling. So let's say it's a item. We're going to select item, right? Let's say it's a watch. We're going to select the item and it's going to open up right here. Now, the most important thing, in my opinion, is getting good images. So if I come over here and we take this, product, for example, we can see that the image is really good, right? Like it's showcasing all of the product, all right, both of the product. So in the first picture, we have both the products, right, both shoes. And in the second one, we get a top view of the other shoe, and then we get a side view of the other one. And this one is a classic example of what not to do. No blurry photos or anything like that, right? So we need to get good images. This one is also pretty good, right? As you can see, someone's selling their iPhone, and we have everything. We got the headphones, the charger, the phone, the box. Then we have it flipped on, turned on, although it should have been just the phone. And in the second image, it should have been all the other accessories. Then in the third one, it should have been, with the box and everything. So as you can see, we need to find good images for a product. Let's check out this one. This one is actually pretty good. We can see we have a phone right here. We have a different angle, different angle, different angle. Good. Now we have it turned on. Now we have it turned on in a different angle. This is actually pretty good. Now we also have some other information showing so that anyone can just look at these pictures, see what type of iPhone it is, all the model, the capacity, and all of that, and they would understand. So this is what we're going to be doing. We need to get good images of the product that we're selling, right? So over here, you're going to go ahead and add your photos. And over here, we have some images as well. I just took some photos right here of my watch. So as you can see, let's say we have this watch and we're trying to sell this watch. So what we'll do is, as you can see, it was a bright product, right? A bright item with a black background so that, it highlights the product. Same thing if you have a darker themed product, let's say a black object, then you want to go ahead and place it with a white or a bright colored background. It's, highlighted. So we have these images right here with different angles. So this is what we're looking for. Now, if we are trying to sell a product, make sure you have good images of that product. So now all we have to do, we can even upload a video of the product as well so that they can see that it's actually working. Actually, let me go ahead and record one real quick. And okay, we now have our video as well. So now we first select the first image that we want, right? The main image, which is going to be this one right here or this one. Can be either one, it depends on you. I'm going to select this one and double click, wait for it to be upload. And while that's happening, we'll just simply select the other images as well. There you go. And we'll click on open. Now we have our more images as well. And now we'll also upload the video. So it's uploading right here. As you can see, photos processing. I think it's done. I don't know if it is. I think it is. So we'll just move on. Then we just enter in the price and the title and other, description. So it's a Swatch V8, right? And it's a 4 jewel, and it's actually a Swatch Irony V8. V8 stands for Swiss made, as you can see right here in the image. It's also patented, so it's actually a pretty decent watch. I really like it, and I got it for around, I'm not really sure. I think it was $30. So yeah, we'll just add in 30 right here. And the category is going to be jewelry and accessory right here underneath clothing and accessory. We'll go with that. And condition is used like new or used like good. I mean, it is pretty good. So we'll go with good. And bracelet style, it's a chain, or yeah, it's a chained bracelet, you know, and there is no gemstone. So we'll just leave it at that. And the brand is Swatch, and material is actually stainless steel. So we just simply choose all of this right here, and then we add in the description of the product. So something like that, I just added and highlighted all of it. It's a 47mm case. It's a Swatch brand and buckle. It's in excellent condition. Just installed a new battery, V8 4 joules, and all of that. All the dials are in working order. We can even see it in the video as well. Now over here, you can go ahead and list it as a single item. It is a single item, but if you have multiple, you could go with in stock. And then you can add in the tags. I'll just say watches. And we can even add an SKU number, but I don't have that, so we'll just leave it at that. It is optional, it's only visible to you, so it depends on you. Now, the meter preference, it depends on you. You could go with a door-to-door drop-off or door pickup or public meetup, meet in a public place, or you could, or door pickup, a buyer comes to your house, or you can drop it off at the buyer. You can boost the listings after it's published, or you can hide from friends. It depends on you. And once that's done, you are good to go. We could go with all three of these options, but I'd rather if the buyer comes, picks it up, or we can meet it at a public place. I think that looks much good. So after that, we just select the location as well. It depends on you. We'll go with New York. So here we go. As you can see, this is how the ad would look like. And then you just simply click on next, and over here, you could join, groups if you want to, but I think you don't really need to. And then you just simply click on publish, and you are good to go. And once it's done, you are good to go. There you go. That's how you go ahead and, list products on the Facebook Marketplace. Next, as I said, you could also boost your listings, but it depends on you. Next, what you can do is you can find all of your listings right here in the seller dashboard. As you can see right here, we have one active pending right here. This list is being reviewed, so it's currently being reviewed. Once it's reviewed, it'll be, you'll get notified that, hey, your listing has been reviewed and approved, and it's now visible on the Facebook Marketplace, and you will soon get other buyers and stuff like that. And you can even boost your listing as well so that people can see it like an ad and buy it if they want to. But generally speaking, this is how you do it. This is how you post your ad on the Facebook Marketplace. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.